In 1969, the entire world watched as the United States attempted something no human had ever done before: landing a person on the moon. During the Cold War, the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union pushed science and technology to new limits. The U.S. wanted to prove it could achieve the impossible. That mission was called Apollo 11. On July 16, 1969, a massive rocket launched from Florida carrying three astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Their destination was nearly 384,000 kilometers away: the moon. It was a journey into the unknown, with the whole world holding its breath. After traveling through space for 4 days, the spacecraft reached lunar orbit. Michael Collins stayed inside the command module circling the moon, while Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin entered the lunar module named Eagle and began their descent. They began their descent, falling toward the cratered surface below. The silence of space was replaced by the tension of the final approach. The landing was extremely dangerous. The computer on board began giving warning alarms, and the landing site was filled with large rocks. With only seconds of fuel left, Neil Armstrong manually guided the module to a safe spot. It was a test of nerves that would define human history. On July 20th, 1969, the Eagle finally landed. A few hours later, Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon and said the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." For the first time in human history, people were standing on another world. Millions watched the moment live on television, and the achievement became one of the greatest milestones in science and exploration. It wasn't just an American victory, it was a human one. Apollo 11 proved that humanity could reach beyond Earth, and it opened the door for the future of space exploration. Mission accomplished.